Question 1D, CXC, July 2021. Ratio. The question reads, the ratio of the teachers to male students to female students in a school is 3 to 17 to 18. If the total number of students in the school is 630, determine the number of teachers in the school. In this question, what we got is the ratio, and we have to pay attention to what the ratio says, right? What ratio do we actually get? We got the ratio of the teachers to male students to female students. So we're looking at that same thing here. We have teachers here, we have male students here, and female students right there. And then it reads further, if the total number of students. So when we're talking about the total number of students, we're looking at this part here, 17 and 18. So the ratio for that is going to equal to the 17 plus 18, and that is going to lead us to 35. So the total number of students, we're talking about the total proportional parts that's allotted to students, is 35. 35 proportional parts. So we have 35 proportional parts for students. All right. So this is very important. Now, it is our responsibility, though, to say, you know what? It is this 35 parts. It's 35 parts that is equal to the 630 students. Right? So the 35 parts is actually equal to 630. From this, we can easily find one part. One part is going to equal to that 630, and we're going to divide that by 35. I am getting 18. So one part is 18. 18 people. One part is 18 people. Yeah. So then, if I want to find the number of teachers, then I need to look on how many parts represent the teachers. Well, we are told that it's three parts. So then all we're going to do is say, all right, let's multiply this 18 by 3. All right, 18 by 3 is about 54. Yeah. So we're talking about having 54 teachers based on that ratio. All right. Then I hope everybody understand that, because the clue that we got started with the students, which is 17 and 18. You put that together, that's 35. So 35 proportional parts was this, because we're told that this is the number of students. And from that, you could have, picked up that, get the one part, and then we find the number of teachers, right? All right there. Good. 3 parts. All right, very good. Let's go to the next question. So in this next question here, we have two quantities, n and t, are related as follows. So we have n is equal to n is equal to the square root of t, and they're saying find the value of n when t is 49. All right. So basically, our intention is to find the value of n when t is 49. Remember that we are told that n is equal to the square root of t, but t is now 49. So basically, this is very straightforward. The square root of 49 is 7. So n is equal to 7. And it's not any plus or minus, because we got the question with the square root, and it's the positive square root that they're using right there. So it's just 7. N is equal to 7. And look, it says value, singular. All right? So the value of n is 7. All right. Going further again, so we call it this one mark with number 7 here. So going further again, it says make t the subject of the formula. Well, if we have n, which is equal to the square root of t, and I want to make t the subject of the formula, first thing I'm going to do is to square. Square is the inverse of the square root and vice versa. So I'm going to square these. So I'm going to square the n and square the t. All right. So on the left side, I'll end up with n squared is equal to t. All right. So n squared is equal to t. And that's how you connect that other mark there. Very simple and straightforward. CXC questions. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment.